Getting our hike at Makaleha Falls. Supposedly it's this way. Go towards the mountains. Hopefully it's this way. We sent a random couple that way, even though we don't really know. That's what I Googled. That's what I found. We're going in the jungle. We going in the jungle. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is no joke, it's awesome. Right. So this is no joke. I'm like, it's not that steep, but it's pretty intense still. It's badass. Ow. I just slipped right there on that rock. Be careful. Kind of scratched my knee up. That little pointy one, I slipped. And it kind of hurt. We've been hiking the past hour and a half, maybe 2. And once again, we have a waterfall all to ourselves. We went hike through the middle of the jungle. We went bouldering from down there to get to